Welcome to another fun learning in TLE Computer Systems Servicing. This is Teacher Imee and you are watching DepEd MPTV. What are you waiting for? Grab your pen, your notebook, and your self-learning module, and let's start! Because of the challenges brought about by this pandemic, we are spending much time with our gadgets, cell phones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. You have been working with different softwares in your computers. Today, we are going to identify what types of softwares are we using. After going through this lesson, you are expected to name and describe the different types of softwares and give examples for the different types of softwares. Let us check how well you know about the lesson. Read each question carefully and choose the best answer. Write the letter of your answer on your answer sheet. You may pause this video to answer, but don't forget to click the play button to resume. Number 1. What application software is also known as academic software? A. Multimedia software. B. Presentation software. C. Reference software. Or D. Security software. The correct answer is C. Reference software. Number 2. What software applications are used to browse the internet, enabling you to locate and retrieve data across the web? A. Multimedia software. B. Presentation software. C. Reference software. Or D. Web browser. The correct answer is D. Web browser. Number 3. Adobe Photoshop is an example of what software? A. Graphics software. B. Reference software. C. Web browser. Or D. Word processing software. The correct answer is A. Graphics software. Number 4. All are examples of graphics editing software except for one. Which is it? A. CorelDRAW. B. Paint. C. Photoshop. Or D. SQL. The correct answer is D. SQL. Number 5. Microsoft Excel can be used as a database software. A. False. Or B. True. The correct answer is B. True. Number 6. What are the two common security software used for personal computers? A. Antivirus and firewall. B. Antivirus and anti-spyware. C. Antivirus and anti-malware. Or D. Anti-malware and anti-spyware. The correct answer is B. Antivirus and anti-spyware. Number 7. What does the abbreviation DBMS stands for? A. Database Market System. B. Databank Marking System. C. Database Management System. Or D. Databank Management System. The correct answer is C. Database Management System. Number 8. Word processing software does not have the capability to correct grammar and spelling of what you are typing. A. False. Or B. True. The correct answer is A. False. Number 9. What computer program performs a specific function, be it educational, personal, or business? A. Application software. B. Computer hardware. C. Drivers. Or D. OS software. The correct answer is A. Application software. Number 10. What type of software is used to work on the actual system is unacceptable, inaccessible, or maybe dangerous? A. Graphics software. B. Reference software. C. Simulation software. Or D. Web browser. The correct answer is C. Simulation software. Number 11. The categories of application software you are required to use depends on what? A. Excitement. B. Need. C. Requirement. Or D. Want. The correct answer is B. Need. Number 12. What lets you display the information in the form of slides? A. Graphic software. B. Presentation software. C. Spreadsheet software. Or D. Word processing software. The correct answer is B. Presentation software. Number 13. All the apps that we see on our smartphones are examples of application software. A. False. Or B. True. The correct answer is B. True. Number 14. This software is extensively used in animation, graphics, image, and video editing. A. Multimedia software. B. Presentation software. C. Reference software. Or D. Web browser. The correct answer is A. Multimedia software. And number 15, this is designed to facilitate a large number of functions. A. Application software. B. Office. C. OS program. Or D. Security program. The correct answer is A. Application software. Whatever your score, it's okay. We will further discuss the lessons so that you'll do better on the next test. Let's see how you are going to answer these questions using your prior knowledge. Read the statements and choose the correct answer from the provided choices. Write your answer on the answer sheet. Number 1. These software applications are used to browse the internet, enabling you to locate and retrieve data across the web. Number 2. This is another term for academic software. Number 3. This software allows you to edit or make changes in visual data or images. Number 4. This is a subscription-based security program. Number 5. It is the most common word processing software. Number 6. This is used to perform calculations. Number 7. A very popular graphics software developed by Adobe. And number 8. This software is a general phrase used to describe any software that provides security for a computer or network. You will check your own answers after we discuss the lesson. Sit back and let us move to another activity. Identify what type of application software is provided. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Number 1. Microsoft Word. Number 2. Photoshop. Number 3. VLC. Number 4. Chrome. Number 5, Microsoft Excel. Number 6, Norton. Number 7, iTunes. Number 8, Paint. Number 9, Windows Media Player. And number 10, Filmora. Check your own work after we go through the lesson. Great job! Sit back, relax, and let's continue. Application software and types of application software. Application software is a computer program that performs a specific function, be it educational, personal, or business. It is also known as an end-user program or a productivity program. You can think of a system software as a cake and the application software as the frosting on top of it. It is the application software that you, the user, get to see up front when you are working with the software. Each of the computer application software programs is developed to assist you with a particular process that may be related to creativity, productivity, or better communication. It helps you in completing your tasks, be it jotting down notes, completing your online research, setting an alarm, keeping an account log, and even playing games. As we saw in the analogy of a cake and its frosting, its requirement is subjective and its absence does not affect the functioning of the system. All the apps that we see on your smartphones are examples of application software. The categories of application software you are required to use depends on your needs, some of which are presentation software. Presentation software enables you to put forth your thoughts and ideas with ease and with good clarity by using visual information. It lets you display the information in the form of slides. Here are examples: Microsoft PowerPoint, Filmora, web browsers. These software applications are used to browse the internet, enabling you to locate and retrieve data across the web. The most popular ones are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Safari. Multimedia software. This lets you create or record images and create audio or video files. This software is extensively used in animation, graphics, image, and video editing. Popular examples are VLC, Media Player, and Windows Media Player. Education and reference software. This application software, also termed as academic software. It is specifically designed to facilitate the learning of a particular subject. Some of these are Jumpstart Titles, MindPlay, KidPix, and Encarta. Graphic software allows you to edit or make changes in visual data or images. It comprises illustration and picture editor software. Adobe Photoshop and PaintShop Pro are few examples of it. Spreadsheet software is used to perform calculations. In this software, data is stored in a table format. The intersecting area called cells are separated to define fields such as text, date, time, and number. It allows users to provide formulas and functions to perform calculations. Microsoft Excel is a good example of a spreadsheet software. Database software is used to create and manage a database, also known as a DBMS, Database Management System. It helps you organize your data So when you run an application, data is fetched from the database, modified, and is stored back in the database. Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server are some popular databases. Word processing software. It is used to format and manipulate text, thus creating memos, letters, faxes, and documents. Word processing software is also used to format and beautify the text. It provides you a whole lot of features aside from thesaurus and synonyms and antonyms. Simulation software is used in the fields of engineering, education, testing, and video games. It is used where a work on the actual system is unacceptable, inaccessible, or maybe dangerous. It is a program that lets you study or observe an operation or phenomenon through simulation without field of robotics, flight systems, and weather forecast, Autodesk, and others. Security software. Security software is a general phrase used to describe any software that provides security for a computer or network. There are many types of security software, including antivirus software, encryption software, firewall software, and spyware removal software. The two most common types of security software used for personal computer security are antivirus software and anti-spyware software. Picking up the right application for personal or business use can improve function and efficiency. If you do not learn about your options, you may end up without something that does not benefit your business, which will cost you time and resources and affect your productivity. Knowing what types of application software are available to will help you make an informed decision. It's practice time. Know that practice creates confidence, and confidence empowers you. You will be given only one activity, so make sure to give it your best shot. Identify the software logo by arranging the jumbled letters. Write your answer on your answer sheet. Number 1. The correct answer is Adobe Photoshop. Number 2. The correct answer is Microsoft Media Player. Number 3. The correct answer is Encarta. Number 4. The correct answer is Norton. And number 5. The correct answer is PowerPoint. How are you with the task? Have you answered the questions completely? I hope you did so. You may also look at the different apps in your computer and identify them. Don't forget what you have learned because you will still be using them in the next tasks and lessons. Now, let's turn your knowledge into action. Generalize your learning from this module by completing these statements. Use your own words or understanding when completing the statements and write your answers in your answer sheet. From this module, I have learned that Number 1, I am using blank in creating my presentation. Number 2, I can use graphic software in blank. Number 3, security software are blank. And number 4, some examples of security software are blank. Good job for making it this far. It seems that you are ready for the evaluation. Now, let's turn your knowledge into action. Good job for making it this far. It seems that you are ready for the evaluation. Choose the letter of the best answer. Write the chosen letter on your answer sheet. Number 1. All are examples of graphics editing software except for one. Which is it? A. CorelDRAW, B. Paint, C. Photoshop, or D. SQL? The correct answer is D. SQL. Number 2. What software applications are used to browse the internet, enabling you to locate and retrieve data across the web? A. Web browser, B. Reference software, C. Multimedia software, or D. Presentation software? The correct answer is A. Web browser. Number 3. What computer program performs a specific function, be it educational, personal, or business? A. Driver, B. OS software, C. Computer hardware, or D. Application software? The correct answer is D. Application software. Number 4. In database management software, Microsoft Excel can be used as a database software. A. False, or B. True? The correct answer is B. True. Number 5. These are designed to facilitate a large number of functions. A. Office, B. OS program, C. Security program, or D. Application software? The correct answer is D. Application software. Number 6. Presentation software uses 3 components except for one. A. Application, B. Multimedia files, C. Slideshow, or D. Text? The correct answer is A. Application. Number 7. What type of software is used to work on the actual system is inaccessible, or maybe dangerous? A. Web browser, B. Graphic software, C. Reference software, or D. Simulation software? The correct answer is D. Simulation software. Number 8. What lets you display the information in the form of slides? A. Graphic software, B. Spreadsheet software, C. Presentation software, or D. Word processing software? The correct answer is C. Presentation software. Number 9. All the apps that we see on our smartphones are examples of application software. A. False, or B. True? The correct answer is B. True. Number 10. The categories of application software you are required to use depends on what? A. Excitement, B. Need, C. Requirement, or D. Want? The correct answer is B. Need. Number 11. Word processing software does not have the capability to correct grammar and spelling of what you are typing. A. False, or B. True? The correct answer is A. False. Number 12. This application software is also known as academic software. A. Security software, B. Reference software, C. Multimedia software, or D. Presentation software? The correct answer is B. Reference software. Number 13. This software is extensively used in animation, graphics, image, and video editing. A. Web browser, B. Reference software, C. Multimedia software, or D. Presentation software? The correct answer is C. Multimedia software. Number 14. Word processing blank and blank are available options to check for errors. A. Word and number, B. Ruler and spell check, C. Grammar and spell check, or D. Spelling and space checker? The correct answer is C. Grammar and spell check. Number 15. Adobe Photoshop is an example of what software? A. Web browser, B. Graphic software, C. Reference software, or D. Word processing software? The correct answer is B. Graphics software. There you have it, learners. Thank you for being participative. I hope you gained a lot. Don't forget to put those knowledge into use. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the following people who helped make this video a reality. Ryan L. Astudillo, the module developer, Irene Fontayon for her technical assistance, and DepEd MP Audiovisual Training Team. Thank you.